It's a 2018 Honda Civic Hatchback. It was thoughtfully designed, yet is rebellious by nature, creating an energetic and unmistakable drive. It's well equipped with the features you need: integrated navigation system with voice activation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, remote engine start, dual zone climate control, continuously variable automatic transmission, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Road and Track writes, driving even the base version of this new Civic transports you back to a time when Hondas were actually sporty, cool, and even fun to drive. Honda has a world-renowned reputation for reliability. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
We're conveniently located at 3400 Highway 61 North in White Bear Lake, Minnesota.